Well, I was never good with law study. That's why we've decided to bring a law expert, Advocate Conrad Hermanus, Fanda Beekspreker Koch. Hi there, Advocate Koch. How are you today, sir? How are you today? How are you? How are you?
Very well, Lois. So, during apartheid, I was employed to put ANC members into jail. Now they employ me to keep them out of jail. I'm so grateful I even named my daughter Dubuli and my son Bunu.
Okay, Advocate, so tell us about this bill.
Well, I'm a lawyer, so I get excited at anything involving the word bill. This bill, this is a joke there, eh? Did you understand this bill? Never mind. The bill is about three things. One, protecting certain state information. Two, regulating how it is protected. Because law is so, protecting information doesn't mean taking your hard drive in the shower, eh? Did you get that was a Zoomer joke? Because...
Yes, I got it.
Okay, thirdly, they replaced the old act from apartheid. They don't like it anymore. They restructured, you know. Yeah.
So if it took them 17 years to change it, what's the big deal?
Well, the old version have some silly things, you know, like the state entity. Any state entity could classify information. So even the Pretoria Zoo, the Tshwane Zoo could make it a secret when the white rhino tried to pump the black rhino during the 80s. And they had to hide it from the immorality police. Anything could happen.
Surely mayors with new BMW should not be a state secret, right?
No, but that's exactly what I'm saying, Lois. So the law says you can't classify just anything, willy-nilly. Like, can you say willy on TV? Sorry, jammer. Like who's funding the Maharaj's retirement home for corrupt freedom fighters should not be classified information.
So why are journalists complaining then?
Well, there's no public interest clause, Lois Agola, to protect people who expose the truth. So if the public want interest, we must just go to ABSA. They're an Afrikaans bank, eh? Lois, they're an Afrikaans bank.
Okay.
If you reshuffle the letters, it spells baas. No, don't worry. You Google it when you get home.
Okay, but why are people getting so upset about it then?
Because if you have classified information, you could go up to jail for 25 years. So if they had this law during apartheid, you know, Nelson Mandela would probably still be in jail. But if you try hide the secrets, if you just hide them, then you only get 3 years in jail. So in other words, the person who exposes the truth will get 8 times more punishment than the person who hides the truth. In fact, I heard Jim Carrey's already bought the film rights to the secrecy book.
Has he?
Yeah, it's going to be a film called Liar, Liar 2. The lead actor is some old called Unamanga Sutu. You get it, eh? Do you get manga? It'll be set in Mangaung. Yeah, it's my favorite joke, that.